Yo, what is going on, everyone? Today is Monday, March 9th, 2026. And today we took one trade and we hit TP. It was pretty early on in the day, but it was an interesting day. But we'll go over the trade recap. And yeah, we haven't been posting too many trade recaps recently. We have been pretty busy, but we're definitely going to start pushing it out more in the summer. Also, we go live every single day in the Discord now with past 50 members. So if you want, it's completely free. Um, and there's not many people there, so we try to help as many people out. And yeah, there's a lot of sauce, there's a lot of value in there, so go check it out. It should be in the link in the bio. So yeah, anyway, let's go over the bias and the trade recap. First of all, thankfully we broke out of this massive ass 4 hour range. We were in this for way too long, so hopefully we can get much better price action now. That would be outstanding. But anyway, we opened Monday and left this massive ass new week opening gap. So ideally, I do want to see this get filled. Um, but it doesn't have to be like immediately or right away. So I am leaning a little bit bullish here. We swept all these lows, so obviously I'm more bullish too. Um, and then going into the day, we had a lot of like LR below too. We had London lows, Asia lows. None of these got swept, and both London and Asia we just kind of trended higher. So I'm kind of expecting either New York to like manipulate or do something. Not really sure. Um, but yeah, we were just waiting. But going into market open, I went on the 15 minute and then I saw we had this clear AMD. We didn't really do anything. We were kind of just consolidating in this 15 minute range. So either side, I wanted to see get manipulated at 9:30, see the highest time frame inversion to the other side, and then take my trade there. That would be my 1-to-1. Even if we went lower, or even if we went higher and then wanted to go lower, I wouldn't have minded that, even though I was still bullish because it was clear AMD. We had clear targets below. We also had clear targets higher, and that manipulation at 9:30 should have been enough to either manipulate a lot of people out of the markets and then give you a good trade. So that's basically exactly what happened. Like we had liquidity above and liquidity below. We had this 15-minute internal high or internal low. It's not a high, which was basically an hourly internal low, right here. So a really good spot to see where price could bounce from. And then, yeah, same thing at the high. It was the hourly internal high. We were in that new week opening gap, so a really good spot to see that price will bounce from there. And basically, what we did at 9:30, we go straight up. We manipulate the high, get a perfect reaction. We only get one 1 minute candle closure above. On the 2 minute, nothing closed above. So this is good. And as we were coming down, we had this pretty strong candle. And then usually I would wait for the highest time frame inversion. So I would wait for this 5 minute to close here. But in this case, I did not wait for the 5 minute. I just entered on the 1 minute because of this massive ass candle close. I'm like, okay, if we get a massive ass candle close like this, no other green candle after, and then we still inverse this like 1 minute, I'm okay with taking this trade. Go for a 1-to-1 point stop above that candle, and then just target this 15-minute internal low that I was talking about, which should be a pretty um, strong target. So I did. I went break even at this 15 minute, and we did take a little bit of while, and then we hit TP. Now it was weird because I was trading it on MNQ, and on MNQ we swept out this low right here, which is the 15-minute internal low. But on NQ we we edged the low and then went all the way back up, and it technically would have been break even. So I got saved there. I'm not sure why Price did that. That's not the best. You don't really want to see that from Price. But yeah, I just targeted a 1-to-1. TP was technically down here. What the hell? And oh, did I just okay, whatever. And then yeah, just smash TP there. And then yeah, we kind of just consolidated later after that. The only other trade that we could have taken, like I didn't really actually take it. It was one and done, so I wasn't really on anything. There was a 1 minute inverse. It was kind of iffy because it took a lot of candles to inverse. But then you would have had to go break even here, so it was a break even trade. So that doesn't really matter. This was basically the trade of the day that I took. And yeah, I think someone else took it on in Discord too. And yeah, it's basically it. Don't the 15 minute, the 1 hour, like the the candles look horrible. You really don't want to be trading this price action. It was also a Monday. But if I see something super clear like this where we had perfect AMD, manipulation of the highest time frame version, but like going lower, like yes, I will be taking it. Um, and yeah, worked out super well. Hopefully the next week goes well. But yeah, let us know if you have any questions. You can join the Discord or comment whatever you have, and we'll help you guys out. But yeah, once again, go check out that Discord. It's completely free. We go live every single day, and yeah, small community, so we help out a lot of people. Yeah, there's a lot of value in there, so let us know.